Hey Maya, what kind of car do you currently drive?
A 2018 Honda Civic EX hatchback.
What kind of car do you wish you could drive if Santa was delivering vehicles this Christmas?
A 2025 Lamborghini Huracan.
Hey Kayla, what kind of car do you currently drive?
A 2013 Ford Fusion.
What kind of car would you want to drive if Santa was delivering cars this year for Christmas?
A 2023 Chevy Traverse.
Hey Haley, what kind of vehicle do you currently drive?
A 2020 Honda Civic.
What do you wish that you could drive if Santa was delivering cars this Christmas?
A 2024 Grand Highlander Hybrid in blue.
Hey Ryan, what kind of vehicle do you currently drive?
2010 Mercury Sable.
What do you wish you could drive if Santa was delivering cars this Christmas?
The Batmobile. Or a GTR. Nissan GTR.
Hey Vanessa, what kind of vehicle do you currently drive?
A BMW 328xi.
What do you wish you could drive if Santa was delivering cars this Christmas?
Well, Santa, if you're listening to me, I have a list of vehicles I would love you to send over to my household, okay? It's a Chevy High Country, 5-seaters, crew cab, short box. Same will be for the GMC Sierra. If they are not available there, then I want a Tahoe. Please bring me that.